Assalamualaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to Cook with Nigar. Let us prepare today paneer butter masala. To prepare this one, first we have to make ready the masala. For the masala, the ingredients what I am using, I am going to show you. This is cinnamon and cardamom, bay leaves, red chilies, tomatoes and onion for 400 grams of paneer. First of all, we have to fry these things, all these masalas in low flame. Let's fry now. In the oil, we have to add a little oil. The onion what I shown you, this is the slices of those onion. First, we have to add the cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves. A few cashews to bring the additional taste in the gravy. Red chilies. I am using 5 red chilies for the 400 grams of paneer. If you like, you can add one or more or less spicy. That is of your taste. I am using only 5 chilies. Now, this is the cashews. A few cashews. Onion slices, you have to saute 1 or 2 minutes to become the onion soft like this. Of course, we can check whether salt and other things are perfectly added or not. Then we can add. This is a masala. We have to grind in the mixer smooth. After frying for 5 minutes, then we have to leave for cooling. Once it is cooled down, then only we have to grind in the mixer. Cover and keep for 2 minutes so that tomatoes will become soft. The tomatoes are soft. We have to take out from the stove. We have to keep for cooling. After getting cool, we have to grind in the mixer. Then we have to dry. So, this is the like this. All the tomatoes are became very soft and the onion also became soft. Now we have to take out from the stove. Fry. This is a butter, homemade butter. This is the paneer, 400 grams paneer. We have to fry for a couple of minutes to get rid of the moisture, water which is remain in the paneer. To salt number then now. There will not be any soreness like this in the paneer. It will be very tasty. So only we have to fry 5 minutes in the butter. Now we have to keep aside. Then we have to grind the masala in the mixer. Afterwards only we have to cook. Keep aside this one. Now this is the extract what I have taken from what we have grounded masala. The masala what I shown you that I have ground in the mixer. This is the extra. This is the puri. Now let's prepare now. Now we have to add the oil and butter. You can add the oil approximately 100 grams or 125 grams. Now butter. Butter 1 or 2 spoons. That's enough. Now we have to add the chili powder. For the 400 grams of paneer, at least 1 teaspoonful chili powder. Now we should not wait for a long time. Immediately disrupt. Three to 5 minutes. We have to keep on the stove so that the water of the gravy will get reduced. Then only we have to add the other things. Turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon. Coriander powder, 1/2 spoon. Chopped coriander leaves. We have to cover the lid. We have to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. We have to reduce the flame. Now we have to add fried cumin seed powder. We have to add in this gravy. Fried cumin seed powder. 1.5 spoon or 2 spoon. Or 400 grams of paneer. Kasturi methi. This is kasturi methi. Now tomato ketchup. At least 2 spoons or 1 tablespoon full. It will give very good texture to the gravy. Now 1 spoon of sugar you can add, that is optional. I am using only 1/2 spoon. If you like the sweetening, you can use the 1 spoonful. Again we have to cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the oil gets separate. See, this is the texture. You have to cover the lid and now we have to add the paneer. So this is the gravy thickness. Thickness of the gravy should be like this. Now we have to add the paneer. Now we have to use the cream. In the low flame, we have to cook 5 minutes more. We have to cover the lid. We have to keep in a low flame for 5 minutes more. Now you can serve this with naan, paratha, layer paratha. This is homemade naan. Now we can serve this. Now our paneer butter masala is ready to serve. This is our paneer butter masala is ready to eat. You can serve like this with the layered chapati or the naan. This is a homemade naan. Some other day I will prepare. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, subscribe. Till the next upload of the video, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Jai Hind.